Back to A5 off-road. Another day in the garage. I finally got my driveline to show up so I can get her back in place. Get this thing back on the road. So, old driveline with the big twist in it. New driveline. You can see I've got them pretty much even down here. And yeah, that twist shortened it about an inch and a half. Pulled it out of the front and it was barely hanging on in the back in there. So we'll get this in and then get the bearing carrier and the front axle. It's still good, so we'll get that back in. See if we can get this thing out ripping again. All right, I got the rear one in up to the bearing carrier. I still got to put the clip in and the bolts in, one on each side. But it's in the back. It's run up here. It's sitting there. I'm gonna put the clip in, loosely bolt it down, and then see if I can get the front one up into where it goes. Here we go. It took a while. Got the bearing carrier back in. Loctite it down, got that on all the way up on the front diff. I did have to undo the bolts on the front diff and slide it forward to get the room that we needed. And it's back there, it's on back there, everything's good. It rolls back and forth. So we'll go test her out in a little bit, but that's the driveline. I didn't get a lot of it filmed. So this will be a short and easy video, but next video will be installing a shifter gate to replace this stock one. We're gonna put a shifter gate on there, make it easier to shift. So it's over here in the box waiting. But this will be a fun one. Pretty easy. I'm gonna do it while I have it out. But we'll get that in next. That'll be the next video. While I've got this apart, I should put that in. It'll make it a lot easier to get to everything in there. So, driveline's fixed. We are ready to go play again. Should be up and running. I'll get that shift gate in, get the seats in. We will hit the trails. So, until next time, peace.